Za vas imamo rešitev. To je Epilsmooth, najpreprostejše in najbolj učinkovito sredstvo za neboleče odstranjevanje dlak in piling na svetu. Poslovite se od kemikalij, neprijetnih vonjav in britvic. Epilsmooth je popolnoma naraven. Uporabite ga na rahlo navlaženi koži brez dodatkov. Tako preprosto je. Skrivnost je v posebnih kristalih v podlogi, ki odstranijo celotne dlake brez bolečin. Na dlake lahko pozabite tudi za več tednov. Epilsmooth lahko uporabljate vedno znova. Samo pomislite na prihranek, nič več britvic, pen in voskov. Imate dlake na rokah in nogah, odstranite jih z Epilsmoothom. Namenjen je moškim in ženskam, neprijetne dlake na hrbtu, samo podrgnite in že jih ni več. Uporabite ga lahko tudi za obrvi, ušesa ali nad ustnicami. Hkrati opravite nežen piling in odstranite suho kožo s površine. Rezultat pa je gladek in čist ter poživljen videz prej utrujene kože. Primeren je tudi za odstranjevanje trde kože in kurjih očes. Zapomnite si, Epilsmooth ne samo najpreprosteje odstranjuje dlake, ampak je tudi čudovit sistem za poživitev kože, ki zmanjša prve znake staranja. Koža vsega telesa pa postane sveža in sijoča. Ne odlašajte, pokličite takoj in se prepričajte sami z uporabo popolnoma novega izdelka Epilsmooth. Dobili boste še 10 posebej zasnovanih podlog. To je zaloga za 6 mesecev, za samo 3 plačila po 14,90 evra. Da, za samo 3 plačila po 14,90 evra. Če pokličete v 10 minutah, pa dobite še ročni aplikator in 5 manjših podlog. Aplikator je idealen za majhna in težko dostopna mesta. Si lahko predstavljate, da boste vse to dobili za samo 3 plačila po 14,90 evra. Prav ste slišali, samo 3 plačila po 14,90 evra. Pohitite, čas je omejen. To je izjemna priložnost za gladko kožo brez dlak. Želja se vam bo uresničila in to popolnoma brez bolečin. Pokličite takoj. O učinkovitosti vas bo prepričala rokavica Epilsmooth. V kompletu boste dobili še 10 podlog. Če pokličete v 10 minutah, pa dobite še ročni aplikator in 5 manjših podlog. Z izdelkom Epilsmooth bo vaša koža gladka, sijoča in mnogo dlje brez dlak. Pokličite brezplačno telefonsko številko 080 1557 zdaj.
Epilsmooth will perfectly sculpt eyebrows with these included little finger pieces. So simple to get rid of the unwanted chin or upper lip hair. Say goodbye to ugly sideburns. Use it on your bikini line. And guys, clean up your hairline at the neck, in between your eyes or on your back easily. Not even coarse, thick back hair can stop the new Epilsmooth. For me, summer means short sundresses and bathing suits. That means I've got to get my skin in shape. Well, now it's never been so easy with Kimaro's Epilsmooth. Not only can I easily remove unwanted hair, I also have my own personal exfoliator. No more expensive, time-consuming trips to the spa. Those days are over. I can use it in the comfort of my home, anytime, anywhere. And the results are incredible.
Kimaro Epilsmooth is a great hair removal and exfoliator. I wear high heels a lot, and it wreaks havoc on my heels, the dry skin. And I can use Epilsmooth on my heels, on my feet. It's wonderful, it's great, even for sensitive skin.
Another added value is the bikini line. It works great. When you use a razor, a lot of times you get red bumps and it leaves your skin really, really irritated. But you can use this on your bikini line easily, and it works wonderful.
The bikini line, now there's another topic. With this product, you don't have the bumps, the stubble, the irritation, the redness. Ladies, you know what I'm talking about. This product is great. It's pain-free, it works wonders, it exfoliates, and it removes the hair all at the same time.
I work as a professional model, and most of my work, I wear swimwear. But the problem is I run across as a rash from razors.
I gave it to my husband, and he absolutely loves it. It got rid of all that, unsightly back hair that was driving me nuts.
How do you tell the man in your life that he's just too darn hairy? Easy. Just give him the Epilsmooth hair removal. It's so easy, he'll love it too.
I definitely have issues with arm hair and back hair, and my girlfriend does not like it at all. So when she told me about Epilsmooth, I said, hey, let's give it a shot. And I love it now. I love Epilsmooth. I use it all the time, and I think it's just a great product.
We grow hair everywhere. I mean, we have the unibrows happening. We got, hair growing from the cheeks down to the chin, down the neck. I mean, we have to constantly shave, constantly be presentable, especially in a professional environment, you have to constantly shave, constantly make sure that you're well groomed. This is something that a guy would definitely be able to use, and maybe even more so than a woman, because I mean, frankly, a woman can throw on a pair of pants if she wants to. We don't have that, that luxury. So most definitely, guys will use it, guys do use it, and if they haven't heard about it, they need to. I'm definitely going to tell all my friends.
Now, what would you rather do? Shave, rip, and pull, or simply wipe away the unwanted hair easily and without pain? I want to look good. I want sexy skin, but I'm through suffering, and I bet you are too. Well, there's no pain with Epilsmooth. It can be used wet or dry with water in the shower, or used with your favorite lotion. Use it dry while on the go for quick touch-ups. It's so convenient. Wet or dry, it works. Kimaro's Epilsmooth works on your arms, legs, stomach, hands, or feet, underarms, even your bikini line. Just wipe away. It's just that easy. How could it get any better? Long or short hair, it doesn't matter. Epilsmooth works for women or men of all ages.
I hate hair on my body. I can't stand it on guys. I can't stand it on myself. I'm tired of using a razor and cutting myself all the time. I really just hate hair. I have not had any luck with any of the products out there until I found Epilsmooth. It is so easy to use. It's real smooth on your skin. I have real fair skin, so it shows up any nicks or abrasions on my skin, but the Epilsmooth is so soft that it takes the hair off, but it also leaves no mark. You can't even tell I've used it, except for there's no hair.
I want smooth skin. I want a hair remover that's not going to hurt. Now there's finally something. Kimaro's Epilsmooth. You rub it on, the hair comes off, it doesn't hurt. It's not a razor, and it's not a stinky lotion. It's not an expensive electronic gadget. And it's an exfoliator at the same time. It's awesome for the feet. You could take it with you. Just put it in your purse. I can use it on the beach. I can use it anywhere. I can use it last minute somewhere where I just need something real quick without the razors or the trying to go to the bathroom and for a touch-up.
The Epilsmooth mitt is just great in the shower. I use it to wash myself off. It exfoliates as well as gets rid of the hair all at the same time. It's almost too simple. It's a great invention, it really is.
I am so excited about Kimaro's Epilsmooth. This product is incredible. You put the product on your skin, put the mitt on too that it comes with. Rub it on your skin wherever you want the hair removed, and it just falls away. It's amazing. There's no hassle. You don't need to make the appointment with your esthetician, which sometimes takes a long time. There's no shaving to get the little bumps. This is incredible. I can't believe someone hasn't come up with this product before. I can't wait to tell all my friends about it. Everyone should be using it.
Gladka, privlačna in negovana koža brez dlak. Si jo želite? Zato pulite, trgate in brijete. Zapravite veliko denarja za britvice ali depilacijske kreme, ki imajo neprijeten von. Nadležne dlake pa hitro spet zrastejo in spet morate trpeti bolečine. Za vas imamo rešitev. To je Epilsmooth, najpreprostejše in najbolj učinkovito sredstvo za neboleče odstranjevanje dlak in peeling na svetu. Poslovite se od kemikalij, neprijetnih vonjav in britvic. Epilsmooth je popolnoma naraven. Uporabite ga na rahlo navlaženi koži brez dodatkov. Tako preprosto je. Skrivnost je v posebnih kristalih v podlogi, ki odstranijo celotne dlake brez bolečin. Na dlake lahko pozabite tudi za več tednov. Epilsmooth lahko uporabljate vedno znova. Samo pomislite na prihranek, nič več britvic, pen in voskov. Imate dlake na rokah in nogah, odstranite jih z Epilsmoothom. Namenjen je moškim in ženskam. Neprijetne dlake na hrbtu, samo podrgnite in že jih ni več. Uporabite ga lahko tudi za obrvi, ušesa ali nad ustnicami. Hkrati opravite nežen peeling in odstranite suho kožo s površine. Rezultat pa je gladek in čist ter poživljen videz prej utrujene kože. Primeren je tudi za odstranjevanje trde kože in kurjih očes. Zapomnite si, Epilsmooth ne samo najpreprosteje odstranjuje dlake, ampak je tudi čudovit sistem za poživitev kože, ki zmanjša prve znake staranja. Koža vsega telesa pa postane sveža in sijoča. Ne odlašajte, pokličite takoj in se prepričajte sami z uporabo popolnoma novega izdelka Epilsmooth. Dobili boste še 10 posebej zasnovanih podlog. To je zaloga za 6 mesecev, za samo 3 plačila po 14,90 evra. Da, za samo 3 plačila po 14,90 evra. Če pokličete v 5 minutah, pa dobite še ročni aplikator in 5 manjših podlog. Aplikator je idealen za majhna in težko dostopna mesta. Si lahko predstavljate, da boste vse to dobili za samo 3 plačila po 14,90 evra. Prav ste slišali, samo 3 plačila po 14,90 evra. Pohitite, čas je omejen. To je izjemna priložnost za gladko kožo brez dlak. Želja se vam bo uresničila in to popolnoma brez bolečin. Pokličite takoj. O učinkovitosti vas bo prepričala rokavica Epilsmooth. V kompletu boste dobili še 10 podlog. Če pokličete v 5 minutah, pa dobite še ročni aplikator in 5 manjših podlog. Z izdelkom Epilsmooth bo vaša koža gladka, sijoča in mnogo dlje brez dlak. Pokličite brezplačno telefonsko številko 080 1557 zdaj.
I do use it in the shower. It also removes the hair and exfoliates at the same time. So it's very convenient and I just love it.
Epilsmooth not only a hair removal, but it also exfoliates your skin. Not only your face, but any parts in your body to make it smoother and a beautiful look.
Wet or dry, the exfoliation really softens your skin. Those dry, cracked heels are gone forever and never have to worry about it again. It really, really does work. All in one simple thing, you can exfoliate and get rid of the hair in one simple step. It's great.
I love Epilsmooth. You just rub it on your skin, and before you know it, your hair is gone. You just put it wherever you need it, and you think it might be abrasive, but it's not. It leaves your skin feeling just smooth and supple. It's wonderful.
Exfoliation is really, really important to me. This product is amazing. You can even use it on your face. You just gently rub and it exfoliates. It's very, very non-abrasive. It's a wonderful product.
As a makeup artist, I experience how important it is to have healthy, glowing skin on a daily basis. Kamaro's Epilsmooth is safe, it's easy, it's painless, and it works.
They used to say looking good is worth the pain. Well, that was then, this is now. Thanks to the folks at Kimaro, a name in health and beauty products you can trust. Epilsmooth is truly the easiest, most effective, pain-free way to make hair go away. And you get the added benefit of a powerful yet gentle and wonderful exfoliating system. What are you waiting for? Call now.
I'm a personal trainer, and frankly, I don't like hair on my body. I've tried waxing. My eyebrows, my legs, flat out hurts, and it's very time-consuming, very messy. This product I found to be very, very easy to use, very convenient, took the hair right off my body, made my skin completely smooth, no pain whatsoever. It was just, I mean, I can't wait to go out and tell my friends this is just an excellent product.
I would recommend Kimaro Epilsmooth to everyone I work with, to other models, friends, relatives, to everyone, if they want their skin to look nice and smooth without the razor burns and a rash. It's fantastic. I'm more than pleased, and I would definitely recommend to everyone I know.
Not only would I recommend this product to each of my teammates on my team, but I also recommend it to all the women in my life, as well as the men that have those problem areas with the excess hair. So it's a wonderful product. I'd recommend it to all my family and friends.
It's a fabulous hair removal product. You can use it anywhere. It's so simple. What more could you want from a product? I mean, it's so easy, it works, and it's inexpensive. It's great.
I would highly recommend Kimaro's Epilsmooth. Not only is it a hair removal, it's an exfoliator all in one. Everyone should be using it.
I would recommend Epilsmooth to all my family and friends. Not only is it a great hair removal, it's a great exfoliator. Finally, something that works.
I would recommend to every female, and also male, to use the Epilsmooth product. It's just very smooth, very easy and convenient, and you can bring them anywhere, make no noise. It's a great product. This is something that you pay for once, you buy out, you use out of your own home, and it's pain-free. You don't get anything better than that. Thank you, Kimaro. It's about time.
I would definitely recommend Epilsmooth to anyone that doesn't like hair, likes soft skin, and doesn't want the hassle or the pain involved with any other hair removal products.
I definitely recommend this product to others. Kimaro's Epilsmooth is just great. It's really a wonderful product that everyone needs to know about.
hey, for guys that just don't want hair, hey, Epilsmooth is the perfect product. I definitely recommend it to anyone.
Kimaro products, I can't say enough about them. I absolutely love them.
They used to say looking good is worth the pain. Well, that was then. This is now. Thanks to the folks at Kimaro, a name in health and beauty products you can trust. Epilsmooth is truly the easiest, most effective, pain-free way to make hair go away. And you get the added benefit of a powerful, yet gentle and wonderful exfoliating system.
Gladka, privlačna in negovana koža brez dlak. Si jo želite? Zato pulite, trgate in brijete. Zapravite veliko denarja za britvice ali depilacijske kreme, ki imajo neprijeten vonj. Nadležne dlake pa hitro spet zrastejo in spet morate trpeti bolečine. Za vas imamo rešitev. To je Epilsmooth, najpreprostejše in najbolj učinkovito sredstvo za neboleče odstranjevanje dlak in peeling na svetu. Poslovite se od kemikalij, neprijetnih vonjav in britvic. Epilsmooth je popolnoma naraven. Uporabite ga na rahlo navlaženi koži brez dodatkov. Tako preprosto je. Skrivnost je v posebnih kristalih v podlogi, ki odstranijo celotne dlake brez bolečin. Na dlake lahko pozabite tudi za več tednov. Epilsmooth lahko uporabljate vedno znova. Samo pomislite na prihranek, nič več britvic, pen in voskov. Imate dlake na rokah in nogah, odstranite jih z Epilsmoothom. Namenjen je moškim in ženskam. Neprijetne dlake na hrbtu, samo podrgnite in že jih ni več. Uporabite ga lahko tudi za obrvi, ušesa ali nad ustnicami. Hkrati opravite nežen peeling in odstranite suho kožo s površine. Rezultat pa je gladek in čist ter poživljen videz prej utrujene kože. Primeren je tudi za odstranjevanje trde kože in kurjih očes. Zapomnite si, Epilsmooth ne samo najpreprosteje odstranjuje dlake, ampak je tudi čudovit sistem za poživitev kože, ki zmanjša prve znake staranja. Koža vsega telesa pa postane sveža in sijoča. Ne odlašajte, pokličite takoj in se prepričajte sami z uporabo popolnoma novega izdelka Epilsmooth. Dobili boste še 10 posebej zasnovanih podlog. To je zaloga za 6 mesecev, za samo 3 plačila po 14,90 evra. Da, za samo 3 plačila po 14,90 evra. Če pokličete v 5 minutah, pa dobite še ročni aplikator in 5 manjših podlog. Aplikator je idealen za majhna in težko dostopna mesta. Si lahko predstavljate, da boste vse to dobili za samo 3 plačila po 14,90 evra. Prav ste slišali, samo 3 plačila po 14,90 evra. Pohitite, čas je omejen. To je izjemna priložnost za gladko kožo brez dlak. Želja se vam bo uresničila in to popolnoma brez bolečin. Pokličite takoj. O učinkovitosti vas bo prepričala rokavica Epilsmooth. V kompletu boste dobili še 10 podlog. Če pokličete v 5 minutah, pa dobite še ročni aplikator in 5 manjših podlog. Z izdelkom Epilsmooth bo vaša koža gladka, sijoča in mnogo dlje brez dlak. Pokličite brezplačno telefonsko številko 080 1557 zdaj.
Zbujajte se mladostni in spočiti. Samo v tej televizijski ponudbi lahko dobite kar 2 originalna Dormeo Memosan vzglavnika za samo 44,80 evra in brezplačno bomo priložili tudi 2 bombažni prevleki.
Oglejte si posnetek koncerta ob obletnici najboljšega radia Vala 202, drevi ob 20:30 na drugem programu televizije Slovenija.
I want to record something for my mom's birthday.
It's one for the money, 2 for the show. But you get ready now, go, can't go, but don't you step on my blue suede shoe. Do not quit.
I've never been able to make love to a woman who's had a child.
What? Elvis, Zgodnja leta, v ponedeljek na drugem programu. 12 slovenskih krajev se bo pomerilo v igrah na suhem in v vodi. Navijajte za svoj kraj. Igre, glasba in razglednice krajev jutri ob 19:55. Dajmo naši. Alpe, Donava, Jadran. Mozaična polurna oddaja z dolgoletno tradicijo, ki jo pripravlja 7 javnih televizij evropskih držav. Spremljajte dogodke, krajše vesti in napovedi kulturnih prireditev ter spoznajte območje Alp, Donave in Jadrana, drevi na drugem programu.
Zdravnik, ginekolog, porodničar, profesor dr. Pavel Lunaček. Mož ljubezni, sočutja in prizadevanja za zdravje mater in otrok. Zgodba očeta slovenskega porodništva. Vdih življenja. Dokumentarna oddaja v sredo popoldne na prvem programu. 37. festival narodno-zabavne glasbe Števerjan 2007 na italijanski strani Goriških Brd. Voditelja Jasna Koljaj in Janez Dolinar. Oglejte si posnetek koncerta v petek ob 20:30 na prvem programu.
Televizija Slovenija zbira prijave za veliki nagradni kviz Ljubljana, prestolnica Evropske unije. Zmagovalec posameznega kviza prejme najmanj 5000 evrov, ki jih v finalni igri lahko podvoji. Skupni nagradni sklad 12 oddaj pa je 120 000 evrov. Prijavite se.